Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
इंडिया
India.
Masalam.
Masalam.
अरे यहाँ बड़ी हावड़ा ब्रिज
Howrah Bridge. Go.
हाँ 500 টাকা লাগবে 500 টাকা ফটো কিনতে 500 টাকা
Pants.
ঘুষি দিতে হয়
People are literally sleeping over here. यहाँ पे वो काऊ दंग भी है ना जो गाय का कम रास्ता
एकदम सीधा हो रहा है
एकदम सीधा हावड़ा. Thank you. आपका नाम क्या है?
राम स्वरूप प्रसाद
Uh,
राम स्वरूप प्रसाद
Ram Suru Prasad. Okay, nice to meet you, uncle. Let's get inside it. Namaste. Do you have ice americano?
Yes, sir. We have ice cream.
One ice americano, please. I will do it parcel. Yeah.
Just give me 2 minutes. I process the ma'am order. Then.
Okay. Yeah, fine. Thank you. My plan for the day is like have coffee here. I mean, take coffee from here, and then with that coffee, I'm gonna walk all the way to the Howrah Bridge. I wanna see the Howrah Bridge, and there people say that I can do the ferry ride and all. So I'm gonna check out.
Any snacks, sir?
No, only
Water
coffee.
bottle?
No, only coffee. I will take the coffee and then I will walk to Howrah Bridge.
Howrah Bridge.
Yeah.
Tourist.
Yeah.
Tourist.
Yeah. I'm a tourist. I'm from Manipur, by the way.
Manipur.
Yeah. Okay.
Welcome to CCD, sir. And
Yeah.
welcome to Kolkata.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
I walk like 23 minutes to reach here.
Oh.
I could not find any cafe nearby.
No, nearby cafe is not available.
Yeah.
We only for this.
Yeah, that's why.
Even if yes, one ice cream you have to pay 310 rupees.
Okay, 310 rupees. Okay, I will pay by card.
Card.
Yeah.
Tap now.
Done. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. All right. 2 minutes and then the coffee will be here. Thinking that I will come to the counter and pick this coffee up. So you put some sugar, right? No sugar. I want a little bit of sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah, with sugar. I mean, do you have sugar sachets?
Yes, sir, we have.
I can take one. Yeah.
Council or white sugar?
Normal white sugar. Yeah. Okay. So guys, here is the coffee, and I need a little bit of sugar. I'm gonna walk all the way to Howrah. Thank you so much. Okay. Not much sugar, but a little bit of sugar. Alright guys, this is how it looks like to have a ice americano here in CC Coffee Day. Okay. Alright, I need to be a little careful with this cup of coffee. Okay, here's the dustbin. Excuse me, brother. Right, yeah, hi. So, so to go to Howrah Bridge, I should go from here or here?
Hey, Howrah Bridge কোথাতে যেতে হবে? Howrah Bridge.
Yeah. Straight.
Go
Straight. Okay. Thank you so much. All right, let's go to the Howrah Bridge, guys. And it's gonna be very noisy. Kolkata is very noisy, so the video is gonna be very noisy with all the traffic jams. Hello, namaste. कैसे हो आप? ओके. ये आपका गार्डन है? ओके.
ये ठाकुर का मंदिर है
मंदिर?
यहाँ पर
हाँ.
दुर्गा पूजा होता है
ओके.
ओके यहाँ पर
यहाँ पे
पंडाल होता है
हाँ.
बस
ठीक है. Thank you.
okay.
Namaste uncle. Thank you. Bye bye.
बाय
Alright, okay, so the nice gentleman, he just saw me and greet me. Nice start, guys. And yeah, so the thing is that I'm not gonna rely on Google Maps today. I'm gonna do a challenge here. I'm gonna ask the people around and I will let the people lead me, guide me to the Howrah Bridge. So I want to see like how the people in olden days before the Google Maps travel around. So that's the thing that I'm gonna do today. Here we got the coffee and let's head to Howrah Bridge. I was thinking of getting up on a tram, but I'm not actually getting any clue about the trams, and most of the people say that they are already discontinued. That's one bad thing I will say, because people know Kolkata because of the trams and the yellow taxi. Yellow taxi, I have got into one, and trams, I don't know, like where can I get tram? I'm not sure. And even if I ask the Google also, it says, the first time I searched it says something else, and the second time I searched it says something else. So I have no clue, I have no idea. Alright, let's go. Excuse me, Howrah Bridge के लिए यहाँ से जाना है, यहाँ से जाना? Howrah Bridge. Okay, they don't know. Excuse me, Howrah Bridge के लिए यहाँ पे जाना है, यहाँ से जाना है?
हावड़ा ब्रिज के लिए आप इधर से भी गाड़ी पकड़ सकते हैं, इसके बीच में आगे पीछे पकड़ा वो भी पकड़ सकते हैं।
Okay, यहाँ से जाना है, लेफ्ट जाना है. Okay, thank you. Alright, I have to cross the road to that side, and let's head on the journey. Let's cross the road. It's gonna be tough. Or maybe I should cross now. I think I can cross now. Alright, guys. The traffic situation here in Kolkata is pretty bad. Everything is chaos, very chaotic and very noisy. Here you can see one oil pump. Okay. One thing I noticed about Kolkata is that there are too many food stalls on roadsides. I don't know about the hygiene level, but there are too many food stalls. Like someone is cooking some chai, someone is cooking some puri, sabzi, someone is eating on a plate. I don't know about the Namaste uncle. I don't know about the hygiene level. It's something that I did not expect. And Namaste. Video bana raha hu. He is just enjoying some music and chilling around. Like the sun is also hitting his back, enjoying it. Okay, so this is how it looks like on the street. And another thing about this street is that people live in the street. Like they sleep, they eat, they cook. There is one thing I noticed while I was walking through the streets to get this coffee. Alright, let's move on. I think I'm gonna have to go straight for a while, and then I will ask the people around and see. नमस्ते भैया, ये क्या बना रहा है?
घोड़ा का नाल है।
अच्छा, घोड़ा का जो पेट, जो हॉर्स का पेट. ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग. थोड़ा देख सकता हूँ? Okay. Alright. Traditional way. और ये कहाँ पे बेचना है या आपका फार्म का है?
नहीं,
बेचते हैं. ओके, दिस इज द इनसाइड.
हाँ, 500 টাকা লাগবে, 500 টাকা फोटो खींचते, 500 টাকা।
5
घुसी देता है।
समझ में नहीं आया. ओके, ये क्या बना रहा है? खाना बना रहा है?
हाँ, चावल है।
चावल. ओके, ही इज कुकिंग राइस ऑल्सो हियर. ये कितना पुराना है आपका शॉप? ये शॉप कितना पुराना है?
बापू बोलना इंग्लिश में रहे, 100 बरी। इंग्लिश में समझा।
कितना पुराना है ये शॉप है? 120 years. Oh my God. 120 years.
My father.
Your father?
My grandfather, my father will stay in shop
Okay.
in manufacturing of iron and supply of market.
So this is from the time of British rule.
British
Okay. Nice.
shop will be open 5 a.m. to night 9 p.m.
9 p.m. But business is going good. ठीक है ना business अभी? एकदम ठीक है. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye. All right. Amazing guys. Amazing. 120 years old shop. The shop makes only the horseshoes, or what do you say, horse pet. I'm not sure about the actual term. Namaste. I'm not sure about the actual term. So it's like 120 years, and the shop has been running since the British rule. Namaste. See, this is what you can see on the streets of Kolkata, guys. Namaste, uncle. Namaste. Oh my God. Okay, so that part I'm not sure whether I should walk on that part or not, because I can see some people around there. I don't feel safe because I have seen a lot of people sitting around like that, and they were using drugs in the broad daylight. This is what I was talking about, guys. People live here on the streets here in Kolkata. Okay, I'm not sure about what's happening over here. Namaste. Namaste. Yeah. I feel like I should give some money to them, guys. They are very old. And let's see, where's my wallet? It's 800 rupees, guys. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Alright. This is what you can see in the streets of Kolkata, guys. Let's move on to the Howrah Bridge and let's continue our journey. People are literally sleeping over here. They are the homeless people. I'm gonna ask about the Howrah Bridge to this uncle over here. Namaste. Howrah Bridge? Howrah Bridge? Okay, thank you. It turns out that he is not a brother. Uncle, he is a brother. Okay, they are eating some food. Alright. I'm not sure about the name of the fruit. It looks interesting, but it's not time for me to eat fruits. I have my coffee. Alright, let's go. And another thing that I noticed is that most of the buildings are old. As you can see, they are very old. Even look at here. Most of the buildings are all not in a namaste, not in a modern type of architecture. These buildings might be from the British era. As you can see over there, it has some namaste. It has some British touch, European touch. So I'm not sure where is the modern part of Kolkata. Maybe I should search and just check out if there is any modern part of Kolkata. So you can see, if you see the yellow taxi with that building, I mean, it looks old, right? Namaste भैया. Howrah Bridge. हाँ.
पैदल जाइएगा
हाँ, पैदल जाएंगे.
सीधा जाके ट्रम लाइन आएगा MG रोड
MG रोड.
आगे से आगे
सीधा.
बहुत दूर है, बस कर लीजिए तो अच्छा
नहीं, मैं वॉक करके वीडियो बना के जा रहा हूँ. हाँ
तो एकदम सीधा जाइएगा.
हाँ, स्ट्रेट.
ठीक है, ट्राम एकदम सीधा जाइएगा, दाहिना जाइएगा तो सीधा हावड़ा आ जाएगा.
Okay, thank you. Alright, this is what I want to do. I want to some leakage of water happening, guys. I want to ask the people around and make them guide me to the Howrah Bridge. I'm not sure whether I will be able to cross Howrah Bridge by foot. or not. Let's check out and let's see. I want to cross the bridge. All right, let's continue the journey. Okay, let's go. Pigeons all around. I'm disturbing them. Oh my god, so many pigeons. Uncle, Howrah Bridge. Howrah Bridge.
अभी पैदल जाना है, बस से जाना
पैदल जाना है.
पैदल जाना है,
हाँ.
पैदल जाना है, यहाँ से सीधा जाइए,
सीधा स्ट्रेट.
ट्राम रास्ता मिलेगा,
हाँ, ट्राम रास्ता.
रास्ता से एकदम सीधा हो रहा है,
एकदम सीधा हावड़ा.
हाँ.
थैंक यू. आपका नाम क्या है?
राम स्वरूप प्रसाद,
Uh,
राम स्वरूप प्रसाद.
Ram Suru Prasad. Okay, nice to meet you, uncle. All right, guys. Let's move on. So I'm gonna find a tram route, and from there I'm gonna take a right and go straight, and then I will find the Howrah Bridge. A little vegetable market over here, and yeah, fresh fruits are also available over here. As you can see, some clothes shop. All right, I'm not sure about that thing. Okay, क्या करना है इससे?
ये होली का सामान बनेगा,
क्या?
होली का
होली का मतलब पूजा के लिए. ओके. ये जो लकड़ी का जो टुकड़े हुए पीसेस है ना,
हाँ?
ये कौन सा चीज़ है? मतलब लकड़ी.
का भूसी है।
ओके ओके. यहाँ पे वो काऊ डंग भी है ना, जो गाय का.
हाँ, हाँ।
ओके, थैंक यू. ओके, सो I could smell cow dung. So what they are gonna do with that thing is that they are gonna fire up and use it for puja in mandirs. All right, guys. Okay. So it's a mandir. That's why people stop by and pray. A little market here in Kolkata. अंकल, हावड़ा जाना है. हावड़ा.
यही सामने मोड़ से जाना।
ओके ओके, थैंक यू.
आगे
आगे, हाँ, थैंक यू. So okay, they have some cool stuff over here, selling mobile phones and batteries. Namaste.
नमस्ते।
Alright, and so far people are very frankly over here, very frank over here. Let's see from here. Okay, I cannot see any tram route. Okay, let's cross the road and let's ask to someone else again, and let's find out. Here is a yellow taxi. Oh my god. Okay, let's ask to someone. Uncle, Howrah जा रहे हैं. Howrah.
मोड़ पर जाके देखने.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I need to. Oh my god, this is interesting. Some steels. Okay. Some LED bulbs and all. Everything is available here in this place. I'm not sure about this place. Okay. Near the MG Road, because I saw a metro station over there, and the name of that metro station is MG Road. So maybe this is a MG Road, Mahatma Gandhi Road. All right, let's move on. The sun is also above my head. All right, let's walk and let's see. Telling me the tram road is over there. I think I need to cross. भैया, हावड़ा जाने के लिए हावड़ा ब्रिज सीधा. Okay, let's cross the road. A lot of vehicles are coming, guys. So we can go. All right, this is what you can see, guys, from the middle of the road. All right, let's go and let's walk around the Howrah Bridge. I'm not sure whether they will allow me to walk on the bridge. Let's find out. Okay, sir. Okay. It's a very old building, guys. As you can see, it's very old. This is interesting, guys. Oh my god. भैया ये क्या है? मैंगो. Okay. This is interesting. हावड़ा ब्रिज कितना दूर है? सीधा straight. Okay, thank you. Oh my god, this is mango, guys. Okay, it's winter and they are selling mango, wrapping up with some plastic, and it looks very interesting. But I don't want to try. Okay. Okay, this is somewhere around. Okay, this is a fruit market, I believe. Alright, there are some water leakage happening. Okay. Uncle, Howrah Bridge, straight. Okay, we are about to reach Howrah Bridge. So many things are happening around this street. Hello.
कैसे हो?
Nice to meet you.
कचौड़ी खाने
हाँ, आया था.
कल मिले थे तो
कल मिले थे वहाँ पे.
कैसा लगा वहाँ का
खाना बहुत अच्छा था.
रिस्पॉन्स? पर लेकिन गाली गलौज बहुत करता है.
हाँ?
रिस्पेक्ट नहीं देता है किसी भी क्लाइंट कस्टमर को,
किसको?
किसी को भी. आप
तो-
उसका वीडियो देखे हो?
पता नहीं. मैंने ज़्यादा नहीं देखा.
आपका कौन
आपको कितना देना है?
1 plate, 1 jalebi.
एक मिनट.
It's very rush. There is a
कितना
very
हुआ?
rush, guys.
60
Thank you.
एक जलेबी अंदर से एक जलेबी उठाई करो. Sir, this is the your 1 plate.
Okay.
This your jalebi.
Okay.
60 payment complete.
Okay.
Most welcome to my shop.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. This is what I get, guys. नहीं देखा.
आपका कौन सा ब्लॉग
Small Ice Indian.
इंस्टा ना फेसबुक?
Facebook भी है, Instagram भी है, YouTube भी है.
कैन आई टैग टू सर्च मी?
Yeah. नंबर के है इस. क्या नाम है भैया आपका?
मेरा रोहित SRZ.
रोहित.
हाँ.
ओके. ये मेरा.
ओह लवली. नाइस.
नाइस टू मीट यू.
अच्छा लगा मिलके.
मणिपुर का?
मणिपुर.
हाँ.
चलो बढ़िया. अभी कितना दिन रहना है?
आज लास्ट दिन है. कल
last.
सुबह निकलेंगे.
चलो बढ़िया.
आसाम से शुरू किया ट्रिप. नेक्स्ट आके कोलकाता में ख़त्म किया. हाँ.
बिहार जाओ. बिहार एक बार घुमाओ.
बिहार.
कैसा
हाँ, जाऊँगा.
रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है आपको अभी?
इंस्टाग्राम में तो सही मिल रहा है क्योंकि
हाँ।
वीडियोस मिलियन
हाँ,
व्यू
हाँ,
भी आ रहा है, लेकिन यूट्यूब में थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है.
चलो ठीक है, इसमें हम बात करेंगे आपसे. ठीक है.
ठीक है.
मैसेज
हाँ,
कर दे रहा हूँ.
मैसेज कीजिए.
कभी उस साइड आऊँगा
हाँ।
तो वीडियो कर दूँगा.
ठीक है. और कितना दूर होगा हावड़ा ब्रिज?
बस 2 मिनट का
2 minutes का डिस्टेंस. ओके. नाइस टू मीट यू.
थैंक यू.
लेट्स मीट अगेन.
ओके.
Okay. हाँ?
आइएगा. बंगाली
आइएगा,
बोल रहा है. बोल रहा है कि आइएगा फिर कभी
ओके.
कोलकाता.
हाँ, मैं आऊँगा. ओके. बाय बाय. नमस्ते. नमस्ते. हाँ, जय श्री राम. Okay, guys, interesting people. I was like roaming around and then he saw me and he's like, yesterday we met at the Club Kachori. Oh, right. Okay, I'm gonna have to cross the road like this a little bit. And yeah, so the thing I notice about vlogging is that, you know, when I'm off camera, you know, nobody look at me. Like people are doing their own jobs, people are doing their own business, and then they are also walking, and I also walk. So we don't get a chance to interact. But when I turn on my camera, it's like people will look at me, we got the eye contact, and then we'll talk a little bit. So far the people here in Kolkata are very friendly and very frank. They are open to conversation. Whenever I ask like, hey, how are you and all, they're like, hey, yeah, we are fine and all. So yeah, this is one good thing. All right, another road crossing situation here, guys. Okay, he's blocking. He's telling me to go from there. All right. So it's very busy. Kolkata is very busy. Kolkata is very chaotic. And okay. Yeah, I need to be quick. I have a lot of things to do today. Right after reaching the Howrah Bridge, I'm gonna think another plan for the video. So guys, keep following me. Join my journey. All right, let's go. Guys, I'm looking for a dustbin where I can throw these, but I'm not getting any proper dustbin. Or maybe this is a dustbin. Okay, let's throw this over here. भैया हावड़ा ब्रिज इस साइड लेना है.
आपको यहाँ से दिखाई पड़ेगा.
ओके, आपकी क्या लस्सी? ओके, आई विल कम. Alright, let's come back for the lassi. Okay, so from here. Okay, I think I should go from here. See, it's very crowded and people are very busy with selling stuff. Oh my god, it's very chaotic and very noisy. But guys, this is because people here they are not sitting around, they are working. All right. I think he's tired. He's walking very slowly. Okay, I think I should get out from here and I can see Howrah Bridge. Okay, पैदल जा सकता है, क्रॉस कर सकता है पैदल से.
पैदल भी जा सकता है.
पैदल भी जा सकता है. Okay, I will go. Okay, so guys, it's confirmed. I can walk on the Howrah Bridge. Let's see. I'm not sure where is the entrance. Alright, it's very crowded here. Where should I go? Here or there? Uncle, Howrah Bridge जाने के लिए यहाँ पे आ जाए. यहाँ पे Howrah Bridge. यहाँ से या यहाँ से?
वहाँ से सीढ़ी है.
सीढ़ी है वहाँ से आगे.
वो जो झंडा है ना, झंडा.
हाँ, झंडा फ्लैग. हाँ, इंडिया फ्लैग. Okay, इसे लेफ्ट. Thank you. All right, let's go, guys. It's been maybe around 40 minutes that I have been walking. Yeah, around 40 to 45. Less than an hour. I think this is the way. Uncle, Howrah Bridge.
Howrah Bridge.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so this is the way that leads to the Howrah Bridge. Guys, I'm about to reach, but the thing is that I'm not sure how should I. This one is the Howrah Bridge. भैया, Howrah Bridge यहाँ से जाना है. इधर से. Okay, पैदल से जा सकता है ना, क्रॉस कर सकता है ना. Okay, I think it's better to go from here. Let's see. उस साइड से जाना है. हाँ, ऐसा करके सीढ़ी उठ के. यहाँ से नहीं जा सकता.
यहाँ से नहीं, यहाँ से तो नीचे चल जाएगी.
नीचे चल जाएगी. ओके, हाँ, पैदल से क्रॉस कर सकता है ना उस तरफ. ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच. ऑलराइट, आई मीन दिस हैपेंस विद गूगल मैप्स एज वेल. नमस्ते, कैसे हो आप लोग? इंडिया मासलाम. यहाँ से हावड़ा ब्रिज जाना है ना?
या
ओके.
निमतल्ला भी है ना. या
ओके, हावड़ा ब्रिज.
ओके. निमतल्ला का इम्पोर्टेंट है.
निमतला मतलब?
अरे यहाँ बॉडी हावड़ा ब्रिज.
Go. Okay, thank you. I'm not understanding what he was trying to say, guys, and it's very noisy. And that dude was like, Howrah Bridge, go. Let's go. I mean, Uncle, Howrah Bridge क्रॉस करना है. हावड़ा ब्रिज यहाँ से ऐसा करके क्रॉस करना है क्या? Okay. जा सकता है. अच्छा, पेडेस्ट्रियन है. थैंक यू. ओके, दिस इज स्लीपिंग वेरी पीसफुली, गाइस. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, this might not be very heavy because it's a sponge. Okay, guys. I am now officially near the Howrah Bridge. Okay, so the thing is that I'm not sure which one is the right side for me to walk. Let's see, let's carry on with this route. I feel like I should have walked from that side, but yeah, let's see. I mean, sleeping on the Howrah Bridge, interesting, guys. Look at this, guys. This is a huge bridge. Oh my god. Okay, let's try to cross the bridge, and I feel like I'm gonna have to go through here. Alright guys, this is the Howrah Bridge and this is the Hooghly River. It's a very huge river. Okay, they have this iron railing, so I am not able to. Okay, here is a window. I'm not sure about the other side of the Kolkata. I'm officially walking on the Howrah Bridge and the wind is so strong coming from this side. Okay, he's spraying. A lot of vehicles are moving in and out. I mean, imagine how strong is the bridge. Like, how many vehicles are moving at the same time? How many people are walking on this bridge at the same time? I mean, it's a huge bridge, very strong. One legacy of Kolkata. It might be so heavy. I feel like I'm in the middle of Howrah Bridge, guys. Okay, this is what you can see from the middle, and I can feel that the breeze is moving because, you know, a lot of vehicles are moving at the same time. Oh my god. Interesting, guys. The breeze is so strong. Okay, I'm on the other side of the river. The river has ended over there, and here it is written, pedestrians are requested not to use footpath. Oh, pedestrians are requested to use footpath. Okay. So this is the other side of the river, and the bridge, it extends till there. Yeah, I don't understand the type of architecture, type of engineering, but it is very strong. Okay, yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. I have crossed the Howrah Bridge, the Hooghly River, and I'm on the other side of Kolkata. Let's see what this other side of Kolkata can offer. Alright, see you in the next video.